Guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend, gute Nacht. Welcome to BLONITY Academy. Today my video is about my first mining KPIs. In this video I want to talk about my daily calculator, the draft I will show you, the 3 KPI categories to compare miners, and the KPIs for operational excellence I developed. So let's go into it and enjoy. First of all, there's a little disclaimer here. There's no financial advice. Make always your own research. It's my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify. Understand the numbers. Be aware of scammers. You know the best where to invest your money. My 3 KPI categories. First of all, there's the operational excellence. It's very important for me that a miner has a positive cash flow, that it generates a positive gross mining margin every day. So this is all about operational excellence. With this daily mining reward, the hash rate, the difficulty, all these numbers are in this daily mining reward. So this is a very good base to build a KPI here. Then we have the Hodl Excellence. It's about, is a company able to hodl or to accumulate Bitcoins or Ethereum or other digital currencies? It's all about, can they accumulate and how fast can they accumulate, or have they sell all the coins to pay their bills? And then there's the strategic excellence. It's more about the soft factors. Do they have good contracts? And are there any risks? And what is about the suppliers and all this stuff? Okay, operational excellence. The KPI, the first one, is the OPEX 1. It's the gross mining margin of 1 day for a mining company. The OPEX 30 is the 30-day moving average of the daily gross mining margin for a mining company. And the OPEX 90 is the 90-day moving average of this. So these KPIs are my operational excellence numbers, and they are very good to see whether a company is profitable or not. Let's make an example for Hive on the 25th of November. So this is from my calculator here, the OPEX 1. So yesterday they made a daily gross mining margin of $133,700 US. The OPEX 30 I haven't calculated yet, but the OPEX 90, it's $102,940 US. So it's the 90-day moving average of these 1-day mining margins. Okay, so it's always good when the OPEX 1 is higher than the OPEX 30 and the OPEX 30 is higher than the OPEX 90. If the OPEX 1 drops for 1 day, it's okay. Maybe there's a big price drop in Bitcoin like today. But if the OPEX 30 and the OPEX 1 drop below the OPEX 90, there's something wrong. Maybe with the company or with the overall market, with the hash rate, or maybe there's a bear market. So it's a good indicator to see is it all growing or not. Okay, but we want to compare miners, and that's why we developed these KPIs here. I have an example here. I have 3 miners, miner 1, miner 2, miner 3, mining companies. And we divide the OPEX 90 daily margin. We multiply it with 360 for 1 year. So let's say we have the average daily mining margin for 1 year divided through the market cap. So this miner has generated 37 million US dollars gross mining margin, average gross mining margin, and the market cap of 200 million US dollars. So divided, so I have a KPI of 0.185. The miner 2 generated the same gross mining margin here, but has a lot higher valuation, a lot higher market cap. So we have a number, the KPI of 0.074. So this miner is overvalued compared to this miner. And then we have M3, the mining company 3, generated 100 million US dollars, an average mining margin, and has a market cap of 200 million US dollars. So this one made more money and is cheaper, has a lower market cap than this one. So the KPI is 0.5, So this is the winner. This is the number one. So guys, before I say thank a lot for watching, I want to show you my little Excel sheet. I'm still in development here. We have here the daily mining margins for Bitcoin, Ether, Zcash. We have the companies here, Hive, Hut8, Bitfarms, and all this stuff. And in kilowatts, so the electricity capacity here. So we have the BTC hash rate. I think at Bitfarms I'm a little bit too high. I have to reduce it to 1 exahash because today they released their Q3 results and they said they're approaching 1 exahash. So maybe I was a little bit too optimistic here. I will adjust that. We have the ETH hash rate and the Zcash hash rate. We have the operational costs. I calculated 5 cents for every mining company. Maybe I will adjust it, specify it for each company. But right now I think the electricity prices are very volatile and the maintenance cost is additional. So I think 5 cents is a good average. So we have the revenue here. For example, Hive, in my calculation, generated $174,000 yesterday in revenue. The operational cost, it's about electricity and maintenance here. So if you calculate revenue minus operational costs, you get the gross mining margin 1. It varies every day because there is big jumps and drops. Today it's going to be a lot lower because of the Bitcoin price dump today. And then we have the gross mining margin 90. So it's the 90. It's the daily multiplied with 90. So we can, yeah, if yesterday the day is 90 days in a row now, this would be the quarter results, okay, for gross mining margin. But it's very volatile, so it's better to make a moving average here. So this is the gross mining margin moving average 90 days. So it's a lot more stable. So this is the daily mining margin, the average of the last 90 days multiplied with 90 here. And divided through 90, it's 102,940. Okay, so yeah, this is the, we saw the number in the calculation there. So this is the 90-day moving average gross mining margin here. So this one is lower than the GMM one or OPEX one. We will have the Hodl ranking here, the Hodl links accumulation factor here, and we will have the strategy ranking here with supplier contracts, diversification, expansion, risks, and all this stuff. And then we will have a final ranking. So I need a few more days to complete this because you see it's a lot of data and I want to do it right. I don't want to tell any bullshit. So I want to do it right for you guys. Okay, so to wrap it up, thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate that. Thank you for subscribing or thank you for your likes. I really want to grow and it would be nice to have your support here. It motivates me a lot and I will produce a lot more videos for you with KPIs, with analysis, with academy stuff. So very interesting, I think. Thank you very much again. See you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.